Hare Krishna. What we are going to learn somewhat is related to these huge numbers which you are saying. The distance between moon to earth, if is asked, you might be saying it is 38,000 or 3,84,400. 3,84,400. Fine, that is readable. Or distance from moon to sun, 150. Then it is 1 million. So this is 150 million kilometer. 150 million kilometer. Or if you don't know, then you have to check ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It's actually a huge number. What about this huge number? Earth to sun? Bapre. It is 15 something 136 million. So 15 billion 136 million or so. Frankly speaking, I don't know. But if you know, I'm very happy. But these are not in the standard. When you are asked, you can say it. But when you're asked to write, so writing it so big is not actually in the form which everybody in the world is using. That is called the standard form. So how do we write these in the standard form? Just as simple as that. As we are learning exponents here, so we will be using those kind of techniques to write it. So for this 384400, what we do is take the first digit, place a decimal. After the first digit, place a decimal, write the numbers 844. Okay, all right, and into, now we will be writing as they are in the form of zeros, so we can write that as tens. Okay, so now into to the power of 10, something to the power of 10, 10 to the power something. So how many digits are going to be after 0, after the decimal? 3, then point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just simply write 10 to the power 5. If you ask me, ma'am, how is it possible? Just check yourself. 3.844 into 10 to the power 5. Mane, you are basically multiplying this 3844. If you remember, you have done decimals, then this is going to be 3 zeros, 1000 into 10 to the power 5. So 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 5. So we can write it like this: 844 into 10 to the power 5 minus 3. So it will be 3844 into 10 to the power 2, that is equal to 384400. This is how it is derived. This is how it is derived. So from this step, we wrote it directly here. In between, these are the steps which are to be followed. But the easiest method is to understand, just whenever you have a number, write the first number, then place a decimal and write the numbers apart from the zeros. That will be enough. Write only the numbers other than 0 and then give a multiplication sign. Do not check for these. Acha, tinte to likhe felechi. I wrote already 3 numbers. Should I write this as 10 to the power 2? Because 2 zeros are left, but no. Don't only check with the zeros. Check for all the numbers apart from 3 here, because 3 is already before the decimal. So after the decimal, ki hobe 844 and these 2 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits. Therefore 10 to the power 5 kilometer here. Okay. Similarly, this one, you just write 1 and a decimal and write 5. You can just write up to 5 and then 1, 2, okay, sorry, I missed out 5, but we'll have to include 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So into 10 to the power 8 kilometer is the distance between moon to sun. Okay, again the same manner, earth to sun. So it is 1. See, I have 1 2 3 4 4 numbers apart from 0, so I will write it 5 1 3 6 into 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 to the power 10 kilometer. Okay, this is how we are changing a number into its standard form. These are the standard forms. These are the standard forms. These are the general forms. So this is how you are converting into standard forms. Do pause it, copy this. So what you will do, first write this. I wrote it this side. You can write it this side or you can write it this side. First moon to earth, then write this and equal to this. Again moon to sun, this is distance of moon to sun. This, write this, given equal to, and then write this. Earth to sun, this one equal to this one. Okay, and if the question is from the general form or from the normal form to standard form, then these are large numbers. So to large number to standard form is this, but from standard form to large numbers, I taught here if this was the number, then we have to just proceed this way. Let me show you one more number. Suppose we have 9.2 into 10 to the power 5. What we'll do, 9.2 means 92 by 10 into 10 to the power 5. 92 into 10 to the power 5 minus 10 to the power nothing, 10 to the power 1, that is equal to 92 into 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 means 92, and 10 to the power 4 means 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. This is a large number. This is the standard form. Also copy this in your notebook. Okay. Now we are doing number 1 also. 538, that is equal to 5.38 into 1 to 10 to the power 2. Okay, so you will do 2 4 as your homework. 2 and 4 as your homework. Pause this and copy this. Next you will see you have questions like express each of the following numbers in standard form. Diameter of earth, then you have diameter distance between earth and moon, population of India in March 2001, number of stars in a galaxy, the present age of universe. All these are for your homework. Okay, question number 2 full is for your homework. This is 1 and 2 also homework. Now I have already taught you how to write in okay, one more thing we have to learn to write in expanded form. Just let me take a number. Let the number be 628 534 1. Alright, now with this number we have to expand it is not normal expansion, but it is expanding in the form of exponents. Okay, first thing, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Basically, when we are talking about the place value, how do we write? We write it this way: 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, 0, 1. This is how we arrange it. Okay, now if I have to write this in the form of 10 to the power, then this is going to be, this can be written as 6 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 5. Then this is 8 into 10 to the power 4. This one 5 into 10 to the power 3, 3 zeros. This one 3 into 10 to the power 2. This one 4 into 10 to the power 1. And this one 1 into 10 to the power 0. 0, why? I told anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. This is what is to be written in the place value chart of these kind of large numbers in the form of exponents. If you are asked to expand this number, just add these. So if we are expanding this like this: 6 into 10 to the power 6 plus 2 into 10 to the power 5 plus 8 into 10 to the power 4, 5 into 10 to the power 3, 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 1 into 10 to the power 0. But you don't write all these this way. You just, one thing you understand, write these. After writing these, write the number and count the number of digits after this. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just write 10 to the power 6 plus 2. Then count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power 5 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore 10 to the power 4. This way you follow. Okay. And I will do one sum for you from exercise 5B, question number 3. Number 3. It is 5807294. So write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now expand equal to 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 to the power 6 plus, normally whoever is in the 10 lakhs position, 10 lakhs position, they have 6 zeros. Lakh positions 5 zeros. 10,000 4 zeros. So this you have to remember. Now 8 into 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. That's all. Okay. And lastly, how, if it is in the expanded form, how do we write in this number? Let us do question number 4, number 3. It is given 8 into 10 to the power 6, so 10 to the power 5 plus 0 6 into 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. It is very clear from our this question that the ones digit is going to be 6, tens digit is as it is 10 to the power 1, so it is 9, then 2, then 4, then 6, and then 8, and then place your commas accordingly. Okay, that's all. Acha, homework I already told. Question number 1s and 2s homeworks are marked. So for 3, question number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 homework. For number 4, 1 and 2 homework. Okay, that's all for today. You can copy this. You copy all these in your notebook, and that is the end of today's class. Thank you. Hare Krishna.